Morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are off to Cambridge on the 9:27 train out of Norwich. Not been to Cambridge for quite a while, so we're really looking forward to having a good explore about, checking out the history, doing a bit of shopping and getting some yummy lunch. So come with us, let's go. Right, so here we are, Stansted Airport going via Cambridge. Hopefully they'll have a food cart on here. Quite fancy a coffee and maybe a bacon roll or something. Well, quick update, there is no food cart or trolley. To be fair, it's only an hour and a quarter, so we're going to grab something when we get there. Right, so we're now at Cambridge Station. It is super busy. We're going to make our way out of here and then hopefully we'll get a taxi into the main square. If not, I think it's like a 25-minute walk, so we'll see when we leave here. Right, so we're outside and there are loads of taxis, so they should be fairly straightforward. Right, so we've just done the taxi journey. It took about 5 minutes. I definitely recommend doing that rather than walking. And price-wise, it's about £8.40, so we'll definitely do that on our return journey. I think our first port of call
is coffee.
We just nipped in this little place for a coffee and we've got these yummy looking apple turnovers to try as well. Let's give it a whirl. Really good. Well, it looked like it's going to be an absolute gorgeous day when we left Cromer this morning. It was a little bit breezy and very overcast. But as we got closer to Cambridge, sun's coming out, so it's about 17 degrees at the minute. Absolutely spot on. We'll be having a good browse around the shops as well as sightseeing, but apparently there's like a vintage toy shop here, and as you know if you follow the channel, I do like collecting the old vintage toys, so hopefully we'll find that. It's a lovely little market here. Have a good browse around that shortly. An old-fashioned looking shop, pocket watch and petticoats. Just here you've got Trinity College, and you can also do like guided tours. Right, we're now coming into a more busier area, and I think we're going to try and do one of these college tours because then you get to see some of the little punting areas. Obviously Cambridge is famous for punting as well as rowing, with their rivalry with Oxford. Yeah, we're going to have a little wander down this way, I think. I think this is the entrance to do the tour. Not sure how much it's going to be now because like I say, it must be 10 years ago since we done all this. We are King's College. So to do this tour today, it was £17 per person. There's loads to explore. we're now going to exit into the college. And look at that beautiful sunshine. Absolutely gorgeous. Always reminds me of something out of Hogwarts through here. So this is different now, because when we came here years ago, you used to be able to walk up to the building here and follow it all the way down to the river and then cross over where the punting boats are. I don't know if you have to buy a separate ticket now, but we can apparently cut through there, so hopefully that'll take us to the river anyway. So we're now coming back on ourselves, and this should take us down to where they're doing all the punting. Oh, they're doing ice creams there. Yeah, so that's the bridge. Used to be able to walk across, so I'm gathering we can just follow this all the way around and then up and over the bridge anyway. And here we are. The famous river doing the punting. They give you a little bit of history on the different colleges as well. Very nice. This is where we just came out of. We walked through there, came out here and back round. Lovely. Blimey, it's getting busy now. I'll have to try and find out how much this is. There's Marisa. Marisa, having a look at the view. Lovely little sitting area down there. And just look at the architecture. The grounds here are absolutely amazing. Cambridge Cheese Company. Oh, nice little shop. Love exploring all these little quirky alleyways. Find all these lovely little chilled out park areas. A lot of them sell like arts and crafts and coffees and homemade pies and etc. We're browsing Urban Outfitters, 75% off. Let's see what they got in here. Our plan shops wise is basically just to find stuff which we don't have near where we live. So it just gives us a bit more options on different items. And this little gift shop. Now I like to get myself a fridge magnet. I've rather got loads of bits and bobs in here. Let's have a little browse. There you go. Purchased my fridge magnet. Thought that was a bit different, that. I think we're going to have a little browse in this St Benet's church. actually the oldest church in Cambridge, built in 1020. Right, we're now back near the market. Just got to watch out. We noticed since we come this time, there's a lot more Deliveroo and Just Eat scooters flying about on the bike paths. Does make you a little bit nervy, but now we're back at the market. We're going to find something to eat. Of course, smells amazing around here. Oh, band t-shirts, cool. Guys, just going to wrap our vlog up exploring Cambridge today. We had a fantastic time checking out the sites and doing some shopping. Cheers guys for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.